Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker. Today I want to have a light talk with you, as in a Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite. The Outback Ultra-Lite line of laminate travel trailers consists of 9 floor plans ranging in length from 23 feet up to nearly 35 feet. As far as unloaded weight, they weigh in from just under 4,600 pounds up to slightly over 7,000. Within the 9 floor plans, the Outback Ultra-Lite has an even amount of bunkhouse and rear living style floor plans, with one notable exception that I will hit on at the end. Overall, the Outback Ultra-Lite is very pet-friendly, with the vast majority of the floor plans having a built-in pet kennel in the walk-around queen bed. As a family man, I generally like to poke my head into the family-focused bunkhouse floor plans to start, so why buck that tradition now? First bunkhouse up, we have the 210 URS. Unique in design, the 210 URS has a single rear slide which holds the king bed. This slide sits on top of the sofa sleeper and dinette as you travel, then exposes them once the slide is pulled out. The 210 URS has an efficient kitchen and bath in the middle, and then places a pair of flip-down twin bunks across the front end. As such, the 210 URS sleeps 6. Next up in the bunkhouse section, we have the 261 UBH. This bunkhouse is a pair of twin bunks on a slide that pulls out from the rear wall. As a true bunk room, there is a solid private door which opens to the walk-through bathroom sitting between the bunk room and large living area. This bunk room also has its own private entry from the exterior. Open space in the living area is created thanks to a single slide that pulls out the fridge and large U-shaped dinette. The kitchen is a straight line layout along the campside wall. Up front, the queen bed is centered off the front wall, and the bedroom has a pair of pocket doors to enable privacy. Moving to the next bunkhouse floor plan, we find the 291 UBH. This model sports a layout that also has a private bunk room, but the bunks now run parallel to the back wall and are double over double bunks. The bunk room opens to the large living area made spacious by an off-campside slide holding the sofa sleeper and booth dinette. Across from the slide, you'll find an L-shaped kitchen with a unique feature, an entertainment center that swings out to expose a large pantry. A large walk-through bathroom with dual pocket doors separates the living area from the bedroom. Like the 261 UBH, this bedroom has a walk-around queen bed. The 291 UBH also has an outdoor kitchen. The final bunkhouse is the 301 UBH. Essentially, this is the 261 only stretched out to accommodate more camp conveniences. The 301 UBH has the twin bunks on a rear slide in a true bunk room and its own entrance. But now it gets its own half bath too. In the middle, you'll find the living area equally as spacious as the 261 UBH, with the kitchen a bit larger to accommodate more counter space. The front end of the 301 is like the 291 UBH with the walk-through bathroom and walk-around queen bed. With bunkhouses covered, let's jump right into the rear living style floor plans and start with the Keystone Outback 221 UMD. This floor plan is a rear bath, rear kitchen hybrid with the back wall shared by the bathroom and large counter space with a microwave. A single slide on the off-camp side pulls out the major kitchen appliances, pantry, and sofa sleeper. Across from the slide sits a booth dinette. Up front, we have the centered queen bed complete with a privacy curtain. Next up, we have the 260 UML, which features a long kitchen counter that covers the entire rear off-campside corner. A spacious pantry finishes off the back wall, and the kitchen extends into the living area off-campside with the range and fridge. Next to the fridge, you'll find a huge entertainment center complete with a 50-inch TV. Across from this, on the campside, you'll discover a slide that pulls out the booth dinette and sofa sleeper. The bathroom has a neo-angle shower and is walked through with the pocket door from the bedroom to enable private access. The bed is the Outback Ultra-Lite standard walk-around queen. Up next is the only true rear bath in the Outback Ultra-Lite series, the 280 URB. An ideal couples camper, the 280 URB sleeps up to 4. The bathroom sits on the rear wall, sporting a large shower and a barn door for a modern residential feel. The door opens to a large living area enhanced by a slide housing the pantry, fridge, range, and the impressive entertainment center with a 50-inch TV. Perpendicular to the slide sits the sink and a large counter. Across, on the campside, you'll find a freestanding dinette as well as a sofa sleeper. A walk-around queen sits up front with a privacy pocket door. Outside, you'll find outdoor entertainment and an outdoor kitchen. The sole true rear living model is now up for a walkthrough, the $299 URL. An entry door opens up to a cavernous living area with a pair of recliners sitting on the back wall against a large panoramic window. The single slide pulls out the sofa sleeper and booth dinette. On the camp side is the entertainment center with a 50-inch TV, which sits at an angle against the kitchen with its L-shaped counter. The bathroom is a walk-through placed against the campside wall to allow for a hallway between the living area and the front bedroom. The front bedroom has the walk-around queen bed as well as private entry from the outside. When I started this Outback Ultra-Lite floor plan tour, I told you there was one notable exception in the layouts, and it's the 240 URS. Basically, it takes the 210 URS rear king bed slide floor plan and stretches it out to accommodate a ramp door up front on the campside in the bunk area so you can store some toys. Yep, that's right, it's a toy hauler. The garage is 93 inches by 82 inches with the bunks flipped up, and the garage is set off from the rest of the 240 URS with a solid pocket door. Its cargo carrying capacity is 2,400 pounds, so it can carry a couple motorcycles. The excellent Outback Ultra-Lite floor plans are only enhanced by what features come with them. Inside, your desire for camp comfort will love the upgraded furniture, residential-size beds with a deluxe innerspring mattress, 15K BTU AC, and large panoramic windows. Your kitchen comforts include a deep single-basin sink, high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer, solid surface countertops, 3-burner range, and pre-drilled and screwed hand-glazed ash cabinets. Entertainment is easily found with every Outback being 4G, LTE, and Wi-Fi ready, satellite ready, having a lot of USB charging ports, and most have a stereo with a DVD player and Bluetooth connectivity. On the exterior, you'll be camp happy with a power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, a heated and closed underbelly, 60 pounds of propane, backup camera prep, and most floor plans having more ride steps. A Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite is solidly built with a fiberglass exterior with black framed and tinted safety windows, painted fiberglass front cap with LED light strips, one-piece TPO roof, 2-inch welded aluminum laminated floor, plus a leaf spring equalizing suspension system for a smoother tow. Whether you're taking in the country as a couple or as a family, we're confident you'll be able to find the Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite to make your adventures comfortable.